Hi, welcome to Heritage Grove Ranches, the lowest price ranch home community in Calhoun offering maintenance-free living. Experience the best of your golden years in Calhoun, Georgia, where an active adult community welcomes you without any age restrictions. Enjoy a range of thoughtfully planned leisure amenities, from resting by the pool to exploring scenic walking paths. Whether you're unwinding or staying active, you'll find the perfect balance of relaxation and recreation. Plus, with lawn care and maintenance included, you'll have more time to focus on what matters most, living your best life. At Heritage Grove, our floor plans are thoughtfully designed with you in mind. Enjoy the ease and convenience of main-level living with all the benefits a ranch home has to offer. With 4 distinct floor plans to choose from, you'll find the perfect fit for your preferences. Need flexible spaces? Whether it's a first-floor guest bedroom, a dedicated office or study, or even a cozy library, you can customize your home to match your lifestyle. One of the best things about Heritage Grove is its unbeatable location, just minutes from I-75. Centrally positioned between Chattanooga and Atlanta, you're also a short drive from both Calhoun to the north and Adairsville to the south. And before you head out, why not fuel up both your car and your appetite at Buc-ee's, conveniently located right off your exit. You'll also be just moments away from a variety of local dining, healthcare, and entertainment options. When you're in the mood for a shopping spree, the Calhoun Outlet Marketplace is just minutes from home. Or explore Calhoun's charming downtown, filled with unique shops, local restaurants, and exciting events at the Harris Arts Center or the Gym Theater. For your everyday essentials, grocery stores like Kroger and Aldi are conveniently around the corner. What more are you looking for? Schedule your appointment today to see everything Heritage Grove has to offer in person. We'll see you soon.